In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch images and videos in CapCut PC. If you need to make a photo or video clip fill the screen, get rid of black bars, or create a wider stretched look, CapCut PC makes it very simple once you know where the right control is. This is a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how your project looks, especially if your media doesn't naturally match your video canvas. To get started, place your image or video clip onto an open track lane in your timeline. Once it's there, click on the clip one time so it becomes highlighted. This part is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which media item you want to edit. If the clip isn't selected, the settings on the right may not apply to the correct asset, so always make sure it's active before moving on. Next, head over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video tab and then inside the Basics section, scroll down until you find the Scale controls. By default, width and height are linked together, which means if you change one, the other changes too. That's useful for normal resizing, but not for stretching. To unlock independent control, click the small link icon next to the percentage sliders. Once that link is turned off, you'll be able to adjust width and height separately. Now you're ready to stretch the footage. Use the width slider and drag it to the right to stretch the image or video horizontally without affecting the height. This is the easiest way to widen your media and make it better fit the screen. If you prefer a more visual method, you can also use the preview window in the center of the screen. Click on your clip's bounding box, then drag the side handles outward to stretch the media manually. This gives you a live visual reference which can be helpful when you're trying to fill the frame precisely. As you make the adjustments, keep an eye on the preview so you don't overstretch the image unless that's the style you want. A subtle stretch can remove empty space cleanly, while a stronger stretch can create a more dramatic wide format effect. And that's it. Once the clip fills your canvas the way you want, you're done. That's the easiest way to stretch images and videos in CapCut PC.